Hi everyone, what's up? It's Joshua here from Alternative Brewing, and today we're going to be using the AeroLatte Milk Frother to texture milk for use in cappuccinos, flat whites and lattes. Now, texturing milk for drinks is relatively easy using the AeroLatte Milk Frother. There's less hassle and technique than actually using an espresso machine. It might take that little bit longer and not actually heat up your milk, but this to-go style frother, it is lightweight, it packs away easily into its own carry case and comes with two AA batteries included, which makes it a little bit more portable than your regular espresso machine. So if you are looking to shop the AeroLatte, you can by following this link up above, and let's go through the basic functions now and see how we begin using it. So to prepare 1 mug full of textured milk for 1 cup of coffee, I'm going to measure out 200 mils of milk and then heat this milk up so it reaches around 60 degrees Celsius. Now, in a microwave or on the stove is just fine. You don't want that milk to be forming a skin as it's heating up, however, but it is alright if it becomes a little steamy. Now, depending on your microwave's wattage, at around 45 seconds, this usually does the trick. I would give the milk a stir every 30 seconds or so, just to ensure you don't burn the milk, as this will change the flavor and the sweetness of it altogether. Once you have your milk warmed up, insert the AeroLatte at a slight angle into the milk before turning it on at the handle. Now, you don't want to be pressing down too hard onto the bottom of the container, but by keeping the head of the AeroLatte just at the bottom but not touching it, you'll hear a distinct change in the sound of the milk about 20 or so seconds in, and this is going to suggest your milk has begun to thicken up. So begin slowly stirring the AeroLatte around the milk so you evenly mix the newly created froth into the body of the milk. You can raise the head a little bit here to have it just below the surface of the milk to further increase the thickness of the froth, or keep it lower and keep stirring for a smoother consistency. Now, it should only take a minute or so for this. Make sure you turn the AeroLatte off before removing it from the milk. And that avoids a lot of mess, obviously. I find a couple of gentle swirls of the jug help keep the milk together as one before pouring it out into your cup. Or you can use the spoon method of holding the froth back and then spooning that back on top of your drink at the end. And voila, a simple and effective way without needing steam to get a frothy and delicious milk-based coffee. It does work for any type of milk, be it soy, almond, oat milk, or full cream, but not only for coffee. The AeroLatte will happily mix up milkshakes, meringues, custards, or even simple sauces, so it's more than just a coffee tool. And to keep the AeroLatte clean, you can remove that plastic insert and then simply place it into some warm water and turn it on, and this will wash away any of that milk here. And you can use some detergent in this process. And with a quick dry, it'll be ready to store away for next time. And that's the AeroLatte Milk Frother for you. Now, it doesn't replace microfoamed barista style milk that you get from a cafe or an espresso machine, but it does certainly spare your kitchen cupboards and your bench from having another coffee brewing apparatus taking up space, and it quickly and conveniently whips up whatever you want, wherever you are. And for me, it's sitting right here enjoying this creamy cappuccino. Delicious. So if you have any questions on the AeroLatte Milk Frother, then throw them in the comment section down below and we'll get straight back to you. Don't forget to hit that little bell icon on your screen, and then that way you stay notified when we bring out new videos just like this every week. If you've enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.